Hey everyone, welcome to Investment IQ Insights. Today we're diving into the world of finance. That's right, we're talking about stocks, specifically small cap stocks, and how they could potentially make you a lot of money in the next decade. We all know the stock market can be unpredictable, but there are tools out there that can help us make sense of it all. And one of those tools is ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence chatbot, taking the world by storm. So, in this video, we asked ChatGPT to analyze market trends and identify 10 small-cap stocks poised for massive growth. Remember, this is not financial advice, and we're not telling you what to do with your money. But let's explore these picks together and see what ChatGPT thinks the future holds. Let's get started. And before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos when we release them. First up, we have Axon Enterprise, ticker symbol Axon. You might not recognize the name, but you've seen their products in action. Axon leads in body cameras and tasers for law enforcement, changing the game in transparency and accountability. Body cameras are becoming standard issue, and Axon is the go-to provider. They offer software solutions that work with their hardware, creating a sticky ecosystem. Axon has a strong track record of revenue growth and solid financials. They face competition, but their first-mover advantage and innovative technology give them an edge. Next up, we have Ollie's Bargain Outlet Holdings, ticker symbol Ollie. In uncertain times, people look to save money, and that's where Ollie's shines. They offer brand-name merchandise at deeply discounted prices, from housewares to toys, all at a fraction of the cost. Ollie's buys excess inventory and closeouts, passing savings to customers. Their treasure hunt shopping experience keeps customers coming back. Financially, Ollie's is a rock star with consistent growth and strong margins. Now let's talk about a company riding the wave of a rapidly growing industry. Innovative Industrial Properties, ticker symbol IIPR. They're a real estate investment trust, or REIT, focused on the regulated cannabis industry. Cannabis businesses face challenges securing traditional financing and real estate. That's where Innovative Industrial Properties comes in. They acquire properties and lease them back through long-term sale-leaseback agreements. This model creates a win-win situation. Cannabis operators get capital, while IIPR generates rental income. As legalization spreads, IIPR is positioned to benefit. They have a strong portfolio and impressive financials. Their solid track record of dividend growth attracts investors. For our next pick, we're diving into the world of high-tech manufacturing with NOVT Inc., ticker symbol NOVT. NOVT is a global supplier of core technology solutions for original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs, in a wide range of industries. They specialize in photonics, vision, and precision motion technologies, which are essential components in everything from medical devices and lasers to semiconductor manufacturing equipment and robotics. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the demand for NOVT's products is only going to increase. Think about it. We're on the cusp of a new era of technological innovation, with advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation transforming various industries. NOVT's technologies are at the forefront of this revolution, enabling these advancements and driving the future of technology. Financially, NOVT has a solid track record of profitability and a healthy balance sheet. They're committed to innovation and are constantly investing in research and development to stay ahead of the curve. Now, let's talk about a company making significant strides in the fight against cancer. NeoGenomics, Inc., ticker symbol NEO. NeoGenomics is a leading provider of cancer-focused genetic testing services, playing a crucial role in diagnosing, treating, and monitoring cancer patients. Their cutting-edge genetic tests provide doctors with valuable insights into a patient's cancer, helping them make more informed decisions about treatment options and personalized therapies for better outcomes. As we learn more about the genetic underpinnings of cancer, the demand for NeoGenomics services continues to grow. The field of personalized medicine is rapidly advancing, and NeoGenomics is at the forefront of this revolution. Their genetic tests are becoming increasingly sophisticated, providing doctors with even more detailed information about a patient's cancer. Financially, NeoGenomics has demonstrated strong revenue growth and is making progress towards profitability. They operate in a large and growing market, and their commitment to innovation and expanding their test menu positions them for continued success. Next up, we have a company that's capitalizing on the growing trend of sustainability. Trex Company Inc., ticker symbol Trex. Trex is the world's largest manufacturer of high-performance wood alternative decking and railing products. Their composite decking is made from recycled plastic and wood fibers, offering a durable, low-maintenance, and eco-friendly alternative to traditional wood decking. As consumers become more environmentally conscious and seek sustainable building materials, Trex is well-positioned to benefit. Their products are not only good for the environment, but also offer superior performance and longevity compared to wood. Trex decking is resistant to fading, staining, scratching, and mold, making it a popular choice for homeowners. Financially, Trex has a strong track record of growth and profitability. They have a dominant market share, a strong brand reputation, and are continuing to innovate with new products and expand their distribution network. Now, let's talk about a company that's disrupting the fashion industry, KRNT Digital Limited, ticker symbol KRNT. KRNT is a global leader in digital textile printing solutions, offering innovative technologies that are transforming how garments are designed, manufactured, and sold. Their digital printing platforms allow for on-demand production, eliminating the need for large inventory and reducing waste. This is a game changer for the fashion industry, which has traditionally been a major polluter. KRNT's technology enables faster turnaround times, greater design flexibility, and personalized customization options, catering to the growing demand for unique and sustainable fashion choices. As consumers become more aware of the environmental impact of fast fashion, KRNT's solutions offer a more sustainable and ethical approach to garment production. Financially, KRNT has demonstrated impressive revenue growth and is profitable. They operate in a large and growing market, and their innovative technology gives them a competitive edge. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of biotechnology with Codexis Inc., ticker symbol CDXS. Codexis is a leading protein engineering company that develops enzymes for a wide range of applications, including pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, and industrial processes. Enzymes are nature's catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions and enabling essential biological processes. Codexis uses its cutting-edge protein engineering platform to create custom-designed enzymes that are more efficient, cost-effective, and sustainable than traditional chemical processes. Their enzymes are used in the production of pharmaceuticals, biofuels, food ingredients, and other industrial products, making these processes greener, cleaner, and more efficient. As the demand for sustainable and environmentally friendly solutions continues to grow, Codexis is well-positioned to capitalize on this trend. Financially, Codexis has a strong track record of innovation and has multiple revenue streams. They have partnerships with major pharmaceutical and industrial companies, and their cutting-edge technology gives them a competitive advantage in the growing field of enzyme engineering. Now let's turn our attention to Semtech Corporation, ticker symbol SMTC. Semtech is a leading supplier of high-performance analog and mixed-signal semiconductors and advanced algorithms. Their cutting-edge products benefit the engineering community by providing innovative solutions for a wide range of applications, including the Internet of Things, IoT, data centers, and wireless communication. Semtech stands out with its strong focus on sustainability and efficiency. They are at the forefront of driving the next wave of technological advancements. Their IoT solutions are designed to connect the world in ways we've never seen before, from smart cities and homes to industrial automation and environmental monitoring. Financially, Semtech has shown consistent growth and innovation. They have a solid portfolio of patents and a robust pipeline of new products that keep them ahead of the competition. With the rapid expansion of IoT and the increasing demand for efficient data centers and wireless communication, Semtech is well positioned to capitalize on these growing markets. Whether you're interested in the technological advancements they bring or their strong financial performance, Semtech Corporation is a small-cap stock worth keeping an eye on. Now let's take a closer look at Celsius Holdings Inc., or ticker symbol CLH. Celsius Holdings is a prominent player in the beverages industry, known for its fitness drinks and supplements. These products are not just popular, they offer tangible health benefits that resonate with the growing health-conscious consumer base. Celsius Holdings has demonstrated strong revenue growth, a testament to its expanding market presence and consumer appeal. The company has been strategically broadening its distribution channels, ensuring that its products are available to a wider audience. With the increasing demand for healthy beverage options, Celsius Holdings is well positioned to capitalize on this burgeoning market. Their innovative approach to health and fitness drinks sets them apart from the competition. Whether you're an investor looking for growth opportunities or a consumer seeking healthier beverage choices, Celsius Holdings is a small cap stock worth your attention. So there you have it, the 10 small cap stocks that ChatGPT believes have the potential to make you rich in the next decade. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and we're not telling you to go out and buy these stocks. Investing in the stock market always carries risks, and it's essential to do your own research. Consider your risk tolerance and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. But by exploring these picks and understanding the reasoning behind ChatGPT's analysis, you can gain valuable insights into the market and potentially uncover hidden investment opportunities. Happy investing, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, we bet you'll like the other videos appearing on the screen. Go ahead and click on one of them.